Hey guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. We're back working on the 125. As you guys saw in the last video, we completely tore down the bike and we have it all in pieces right here. I've actually been kind of sick these last few days, so haven't really worked on the bike at all. But what is good is our parts came in for our fork seals and stuff. So yeah, we have a table full of parts behind us. Now what we will usually do when I'm framing a bike is I'll kind of knock out everything I need to do before actually assembling the bike. And then once everything's done, I'll assemble the bike, like if we have to do a top end or any service on the forks, anything like that. But I think for this bike, I'm going to do it a little differently because pretty much everything we're doing is going to be, pretty quick and easy to do for the top end and the fork seals. I think I'm going to just basically start putting the bike together, clean as I go, clean part by part as I'm putting the bike together. Just do it a little differently this time to change something up. So for that, the first place for us to get started is going to be our frame and our swing arm. So we've got to get those cleaned up, and for our swing arm there's still a couple small parts for us to take off, but here I'm going to get our frame out. We're going to get it here on a table and start cleaning it, same way I've always cleaned aluminum frames on this channel. Put a little card in the top right of the screen so you guys can see, if you guys haven't seen already, how I do clean up aluminum frames, get them looking real nice and bright. But yeah, so here we'll get the frame on the table and we'll do pretty much what we've always done for the frames, and that is degreasing first, hitting it with some aluminum brightener, and then some green Scotch Brite just to give it that nice brushed finish. Alrighty y'all, quick update. I'm sure it was like 2 seconds for you guys, but we got the frame all cleaned up, and I went ahead and just reinstalled the foot pegs and the skid plate. Kind of skipped over that because just little tedious stuff. Takes a lot longer to film, but yeah, we got that all put back together, so our frame looks great now. Foot pegs are back on, have new cotter pins of course to hold them in, and I also went ahead and cleaned up our skid plate as well on the little Primex cleaning pads, little grinder wheels. Got those all, or got the skid plate all looking good. So pretty much our whole frame assembly that we started with today is looking great. And yeah, from here it's pretty much on to the next, which in this case is going to be the swing arm. So for cleaning up our swing arm, some more of the same. Now on the swing arm, we're not actually going to use any aluminum brightener, and that's just simply because these swing arms come with a coating on them to where if we spray on aluminum brightener, it could damage like a clear coating they put on there so that the metal doesn't get stained, you know, naturally during use of the bike. But we do have to remove a lower linkage piece, a chain guide, and pretty much our chain slider. But after that, we're just going to degrease it and clean it up really well.
Hey guys, AK Moto here. I'm actually finishing up editing this video right now, and I realized that I never filmed any kind of outro or anything for this video, so this is going to be the outro right here. As you guys can see, I'm just finishing up greasing these swing arm bearings. It's a good thing to do right after you expose the swing arm to like a deep cleaning where you might introduce some water into the bearings. So we're getting those greased up and freshened up to prevent rust and obviously get them serviced. In the next video, we are going to be tackling the top end rebuild on the motor, and also I believe I'm going to be lumping the carburetor rebuild in the same video as well. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos on this bike. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.